Alright, good morning guys. It's Saturday, it's about 9:30, it's actually a little bit after that. But right now my sister and I, we're going to help one of my mother's co-workers move in. And then we've got a lot of stuff ahead of me today. We got a lot of helping people move and stuff like that, and then doing some other stuff this evening. Alright guys, so we're here. It took us a while to find the apartment because the apartment numbering is weird, but we're here and I think my mother's co-worker is over here. Okay guys, so just got done helping my mom's co-worker and it's, what is it, like 11:30 right now? And it's actually very convenient because I was going to help my friend move in today and he lives right down there. Austin, it's looking good.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so it's 3 o'clock now. We were waiting for a while for the cable guy to come and set everything up, but he's taking too long. So we're going to lunch now. We're going to what's called Hardwood Smokehouse, is that what it's called? It's like literally not even 10 minutes down the road. Just finished at the Hardwood Smokehouse. I'm full. It's 4 o'clock now. Check the weather, because if it's gonna rain today, then I'm not gonna wash my car, but then I'm probably gonna wash my car now when I get home after I rest a little bit. Okay guys, so as you just saw, it doesn't look like there's going to be any rain this afternoon, or this evening, excuse me. And as you can see, very beautiful skies. So Blue's about to get a bath, some over there. And then I've got somewhere I got to be at 9 tonight. You guys will see where that is in a little bit. Okay guys, so just finished washing Blue, waxed, everything's done. I'm gonna pull her into the driveway now because there's squirrels up in the tree and they're dropping stuff on it. So I'm gonna pull in the driveway, I'm gonna clean out the interior, and then that'll be it. Alright guys, Blue's officially clean, inside and out, all done. About to go inside, rest a little bit, take a shower, get dressed. And I'm going to be going somewhere with Blue. You guys are going to see where. And if you're watching my vlogs, you might know where I'm going to try to be going. Alright guys, leaving now. It's 8:40. And the weather radar, you know you can't see me very well, but the weather radar said it's not supposed to storm. But it lied. It looks like it's going to storm. Might just be a lightning storm or thunderstorm. Guys, my friends are already there telling me that there's people rolling up, so So Austin, where are we at?
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby? What are we waiting on?
The people to show up.
People to show up for the car meet?
Yes, sir.
The new, the old. Alright guys, so just got back from the car meet. That was exciting. A lot of cool cars and some not so cool. But that concludes it for this episode. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And see you guys next week. Peace.